Welcome to the Beaver Toyota Culinary Tailgate, Atlanta's newest Toyota dealership. We're on Georgia 400 on exit 14. I'm with celebrity chef Kevin Rathman. How spectacular is this campus?
Hey, Steak, this place is unbelievable. Not to mention, I mean, you know, the fire pit. I mean, they got the restaurant. I mean, they got everything here. It's unbelievable. We can have the biggest tailgate you ever thought of having.
It's also the place we eat my favorite food, which is tailgate food and cheeseburgers, Kevin Rathman style, though,
Kevin
right?
Rathman style. I call them Hatch Green Chili Swiss burgers is what they are. So right here we have Hatch Green Chilies. They have a nice bite to them. We're gonna roast them, peel them. We're gonna put those on the burgers. And we got ground chuck here, right? Ground chuck has the fat ratio that makes a great burger. Grated Swiss cheese. Love grated over sliced.
Right.
That's just my preference.
How important is the actual bun?
Martin's potato rolls are my super favorite, right? They're like eating donut bread. They're sweet, they're good, they're fantastic.
So while you were cooking on that beautiful grill, I was upstairs. I walked into the hair salon. They got a hair salon upstairs.
For what? For you?
Do we get a bite of this finally?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, look at the juice, right? Woo!